those who are praying, those who are doing their work online, telemedicine, the doctors, the health worker, the police officers will pray for all. Let's unite all of us for the well-being of our society, for the well-being of the world. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति 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 हरिः ओम. Rub your both palm, touch your eyes, again rub face muscles, again rub, touches, yes, again rub, touch your shoulder muscles, joints, again rub, wrist joint, feel the power, energy of your body, touch your elbow joint, again rub, touch your ankle joint, knee joint, hip joint. We have finished the common yoga protocol. Now we will perform the dhoti. At first dhoti, three types of dhoti: Baman dhoti, Barisar dhoti and Bastra dhoti. Baman dhoti, that is drinking water with the hot water, and after that drinking the water we have to touch our small tongue and forcefully vomiting and cleaning it. So that is Baman dhoti. It good for our skin problem, digestion problem. It will be curable with the help of Baman dhoti. Now I will perform the Barisar dhoti. I will perform Barisar dhoti. This is the water. I will mix with the hot water. That is the hot water. Mixing with the hot water and little bit salt that we have to give. Little bit salt that I am giving, and after that we have to clean it. Cleaning the pipe with the hot water, that is very important. Why Barisar dhoti performed? For the acidic people. Sometimes we brush, whenever we do the brushing with the help of toothbrush, in that particular time in the morning we vomit and it touches our teeth and we feel bad. So in that particular cases we have to clean our stomach. So Barisar dhoti is very good for that. glasses of water I have taken. Another glass. Now, slowly we have to swallow it. That is Barisat Dhoti. Now another. Salt is there also. Perform the Vastra Dhoti. Performance of the Vastra Dhoti, very less time is there. In a less time I will do. So that is Vastra Dhoti. And next, so Dhoti finished, Dhoti Basti. Basti is related to the lower abdominal part. You have to drink water with the mixed of lemon, and also you can mix this honey also. It will clean your bowels. So two types of Basti, Jala Basti and Sthala Basti is there. On the other hand, next is Dhoti Basti Noli. Noli I have performed just now. That is Noli. And Neti Tratak Kapalbhati. Tratak is related to meditation. Little bit you have to sit in a pose, and after that you have to look in the flame of the candle, and you have to concentrate on that. That is Tratak. Kapalbhati already done in protocol session. Now we will finish with the two things. that is the neti, Jal neti and Sutra neti. Jal neti and Sutra neti. At first I'll do the Jal neti. Water. I have to clean it. It's okay. So Jal neti, that is just one nostrils. It will go automatically, it will come out. On the other hand, another. That is Jal neti. But remember, after performing the Jal neti, Udghat is required. That is one type of Kapalbhati also. One is another upward, another is downward, and left downward and right downward. It should be performed. Now, Sutra neti. With the help of catheter, we will do it. Sutra neti. So at first, slowly, it will go inside. Come out. That is right. Sorry. Now left nostrils. The same will follow. So that's all. Now one question to you everybody. If you perform it once in a week, is there any chances that COVID-19 will come to inside you? So corona will happen to you? Because you are cleaning. So do yourself. Start practicing yoga in your day-to-day life. If you have any doubt, any queries, you may ask us. On the other hand, vote of thanks. I am thankful to our beloved chairman, Brigadier N.H. Jhakar, Sena Medal. On the other hand, I am thankful to my unit officers, Colonel Bajwa, 48 Bengal Battalion NCC. On the other hand, 41 Bengal Battalion NCC, Colonel Jha. On the other hand, Group Captain Rajesh Kumar, Air Force Unit NCC. And our beloved principal, who have given me the platform to perform it, Army Public School Barakpur, and the staffs and teachers and my students, those who have given me the chance. Thank you. Have a nice day.